Woo. Starting to climb.
I wish for long, healthy life.
Very cutesy.
Very mindful.
Very demure.
Slay.
And trust me guys, we're not the only ones taking a breather. Just so you know.
With a nice amount of crushed garlic, so I like garlic.
Yes.
And a healthy amount of chili oil.
Chili oil. Good morning everyone, what's going on? We're still out here in Zhaoqing in China, and today we are visiting the Dinghu Mountains. So Can and Rosh, they are both just trying on hats and sunglasses. So as you can see, Can just modeling some of the hats. That there is still we are still in the public, it's still public holiday guys, so you might see quite a bit of people out today. Like yesterday when we went to the 7-star crags. Again we can see some people walking with umbrellas, but there's no rain. Trust me guys, you need the umbrella for the sun. Right, so 70 RMB gets you in. And that's for a single ticket. And of course here also you have the option to buy the 1-year permit, which gives you access to 3 of the parks, which is the 7-star crags, the wetlands park, and now Dinghu Mountains. Right guys, it wasn't a bad climb up. Obviously it was uphill all the way, but it wasn't that steep. And obviously you can take the bus at a cost. And but so we're just stopping at the, well, really the first stop that we're getting to get some drinks and maybe some other refreshments before the real tour starts. So this is still the beginning. Oh,
Okay.
lovely guavas! I get the smell. So potent.
I'm gonna do Pocari sweet. So
Oh, check at this guys. These guys have the right idea, man. Just chilling at the stream. We're going up there. Hey, I'm not sure if we're climbing up all the way, guys. But I'm enjoying the peaceful sounds of the stream. Sounds amazing. Dinghu Mountain is one of 4 famous mountains in Yunnan, together with Dangxia Mountain. Alright guys, I'm messing up the pronunciation, but you can pause if you want and you can read it. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, we're starting a bit of an incline right now. Not much of an incline yet, but I suspect that we are going to go up a bit higher. And at the bottom you can see people just chilling at the stream, putting their feet in the water. Guys, don't forget your sunblock and don't forget your water. So once again I got Pocari sweet. Starting to climb. see, guys, we are doing the upward trek. Uphill. Yes. At least it's zigzag, you know. It's not one straight line up. So on every turn, you can actually take a little breather. And trust me, guys, we're not the only ones taking a breather. Just so you know. We're doing okay. We're actually doing fine. Let's scan and rush. Yeah, I think we've reached the temple.
Very cutesy.
Very mindful.
Very demure.
Slay.
Yeah, it's
Ah, really?
Yes. Even
Oh, it's so cool.
at a public school, I got offered like
That turtle's just floating, he's just chilling out there, man. That's obviously not a real one. Yeah, we're just doing a quick pit stop for some more water, maybe a snack or two. And so now we're going to enter the Qingyan temple.
meant to be scary. They look like dragons, but they like ward people off. They're almost like the gods.
Really?
God, yeah, the god, the actual temple. So,
Oh wow.
yeah. Give me a Durham.
There's a Durham.
I wish for long, healthy life.
I wish for prosperity for all.
Slay.
Slay.
So guys, we're at the pot of 1,000 people. Alright, so we're going to throw in our sacrifices. Thank you. What are they?
Good wishes.
Oh, it's good wishes. Okay.
Wish for your future.
That was me.
This is me.
That's Ken. Oh, and that is guys, I was just thinking, the location of this temple is so what I always imagined the temples to be back in the day, thousands of years ago, up in the mountain. I mean, look at the surroundings, man. It is just up in the mountain. I can imagine that back in the day it wasn't easy getting here, and it kind of almost seemed secluded, and you really needed to want to get here. Those are just the thoughts that I'm having right now, guys, because I can imagine that this temple, being way up in the mountain, is the real deal.
They're having a speech.
They will. This one's getting up there now. Do you see them moving?
Yes. Look at food. Ah, got it. This is the top of the temple. That's the roof. That's where we just came from, where the turtles were. Wow. Okay, we saw a restaurant down here, and we're gonna stop there just to have a quick bite. Let's see if we can find it. I think that was it. I think that was it. Alright guys, that was a restaurant, or it seemed like one earlier, but we're not sure if it's open to the public. Well, at least it's closed now. The doors were all closed. So we're gonna go to check out the food court at the bottom here. We are making our way back to the exit, and we're going back towards the waterfall again. However, we saw another trail that says down the mountain trail. So it seems like it's a slight detour, or maybe not a detour, maybe it's a shortcut. That's what it looks like going down. I can hear the stream on the left hand side, but I do think that we're walking away from the actual waterfall. So maybe this is a different trail to the exit. And then once we hit the exit, we're gonna find a restaurant to get some goodies to eat, because we are actually quite hungry. Check that cool balloon, like an octopus. Yeah, it's definitely a different route. The waterfall is that way. See the people sitting with their feet in the water there. Yeah, we're close to the exit now, I think. No more uphill, just downhill from here. Right, we're back in the mall guys, and we're gonna go for some dumplings. And Rush was recommending this place. What is it called? Okay, I can't make out the name. Zhao, handmade dumplings. Alright, so we're gonna come here, and luckily it's quite empty. So let's go for some dumplings. Yeah. Okay.
So first, Rosh, what are we doing?
Some hot water with the ball.
Alright, swishing it.
Swishing it, goes in there.
Alright.
Take some vinegar. Got it. Thank you.
And some vinegar.
I don't think she knows that. So we put a bit of vinegar. I like to put a touch of salt. Some crushed garlic. Put a nice amount of crushed garlic. So I like garlic.
Yes.
And a healthy amount of chili oil.
Chili oil.
I like to get all that in there.
So are you sure this is vinegar or is it soy sauce?
It's none of that's vinegar, and they got soy sauce if you want soy sauce.
Ah, so can you add the soy sauce?
We got some mooncake
On the house.
on the house. Alrighty. So now we're just getting our sauce ready.
Yeah.
You know, obviously you saw how we made the sauce. Everybody with their own taste and flavor, but all of it's packed with chilies and chili oil.
That's a commonality out here.
I think Can, you took some soy sauce, right?
Well, I ended up with the vinegar because
Okay.
I initially thought that it was soy, but I'm sure that the vinegar would do good. I'm trusting Rush on this if it's bad, guys.
Rush.
Trouble.
There's a lot depending on you right now,
Hey, a
Rush.
lot riding on it.
Lot riding
There's
on.
little balls if you want to get this on. Okay.
These are the veggies. It's just arrived, and those are the dumplings.
Yeah, this is the mushroom and meat.
Mushroom and meat. Oh, it's tissues.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Oh, guys.
Right.
I'm feeling
Dumplings,
so
mushroom and meat.
Are the veggies good?
Guys, we've got some scallion bread.
But maybe you should rest
Scallion
today,
oil
man,
bread.
just to have a quick...
This is shrimp.
Shrimp and corn. Wasn't it corn, shrimp shrimp and something.
Something, but anyway, cool shrimp. Ooh, and the lamb skewers. Oh dear me. Do we have enough space here? Ken, you might have to take those hats with you.
Wow.
Lamb skewers.
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
It's a whole
Right.
feast.
Oh, lamb skewers. I've got the scallion oil bread. And Rush is struggling with the lamb skewer.
Yeah.
Got you in the act?
Made it.